Hello everyone. In this session, I want to harden Windows Server 2022 with Ansible playbooks and CIS tips. For Ansible integration to Windows Server, we need to run a PowerShell script file using administrator. Then, at the first level, we need to set execution policy to unrestricted. Okay, I press yes. Okay. Now I'm going to that directory that my PowerShell configuration file exists. This server is a fresh server and I just install it, then create a special user called Harden with administrator privilege. Then I put my PowerShell script for connect Ansible server to this Windows on the desktop of a hardened user. So I'm going to this path and we can see my PowerShell configuration file. Okay, now I'm run this command. We can see the OK shown in the prompt, and it shows that configuration established. So now I'm going to Windows Firewall to open ports that WinRM work on it. We need two ports, and one is for HTTP is 5985, and another that is secure and run over HTTPS is 5986. Okay, let's set a name for our rule. Our rule is created. Then I'm going to firewall setting to turn on the Windows Defender firewall for all private and public network settings. Okay, we are done here. Now I'm going to Ansible server. I set up my Windows Server IP address and hostname in etc hostes and Ansible hostes, so I can ping my Windows Server with its name from Ansible server. And with my ping, okay, it's return ping pong. Okay, let's see the main playbook. Based on CIS document, there are 7 sections that I bring it here as a rule. Now let's run our playbook, and it's include all of CIS tips from section 1 to end of section 19. And after this playbook finished, we will have our template Windows Server 2022 template as a hardened server. And as you can see, the playbooks have multiple color, include green, that means the effect is not changed, and the blue, it means it's escape, because I put some when conditions, and this playbook during execution check conditions, then decide to change effect that the color will be yellow, If not, it will be skip and the color will change to blue. So let's see till the end of this playbook. Okay, I increase the speed of running because it will take 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, the task arrived to the end. And the last task is reboot the Windows server. So I'm going to check the that is reboot. Okay, as you can see, our Windows Server 2022 is rebooted. When it's boot up, you can find all of CIS security tips that run on this computer. It starts with a warning that is set before. Okay, there aren't any previous username on this system. I'll log in with created user and my password. Okay, the UAC's worked. Before run, Ansible playbook for hardening. I set up a simple password for my Ansible user on this machine. So I'm going to change it with difficult or set up a new password. I import a simple password without too much complexity. As you can see, the policy, password policy, ignore imported password. So I try again with more complexity, but again it will be failed because based on new password policy, the length of password uh, have to be at least 14 character with complexity. Okay, I set it again and finish. We have a Harden Windows Server 2022. Good luck everyone, and if you are interested, please follow.